Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things related to nutrition and health. Today, we will be discussing the benefits of a balanced diet. A balanced diet consists of a variety of foods from all food groups in the right proportions. First of all, what a balanced diet is. A balanced diet is a way of eating that includes a variety of foods from all food groups in the right proportions to provide the body with all the essential nutrients it needs to function properly. Before continuing, if you enjoy my content and want to stay up to date with my latest videos, I would greatly appreciate it if you consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your support. The food groups that make up a balanced diet include fruits and vegetables. These are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Whole grains. These are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Lean proteins. These include foods like chicken, fish, beans, and nuts and are rich in protein, iron, and other essential nutrients. Low-fat dairy. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are good sources of calcium and other essential nutrients. Healthy fats. These include foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. A balanced diet also involves limiting the consumption of foods high in saturated fats, added sugars, and sodium. Eating a balanced diet is important for maintaining optimal health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and promoting overall well-being. And it is essential for good health, and in this video, we will explore some of the key benefits. Body. Provides essential nutrients. A balanced diet provides all the essential nutrients required for the body to function properly. This includes carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Helps maintain a healthy weight. Eating a balanced diet can help maintain a healthy weight, which is essential for good health. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources can help reduce the risk of obesity and other related diseases. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. A balanced diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and certain types of cancers. This is because a balanced diet provides the body with the necessary nutrients to maintain optimal health. Improves cognitive function. A balanced diet can improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Consuming foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and walnuts, can also improve brain function. Enhances mood. A balanced diet can also enhance mood. Consuming foods rich in vitamins B6, B12, and folate can improve mood and reduce the risk of depression. Additionally, eating foods that contain tryptophan, such as turkey and bananas, can increase the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. Conclusion. In summary, a balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health. It provides essential nutrients, helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, improves cognitive function, and enhances mood. Eating a balanced diet is not about following a strict diet plan but rather making healthy food choices on a daily basis. Remember, small changes can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.